Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on your Meta Quest 3. Currently, Fortnite is not natively available on the Quest platform, so we'll focus on streaming it from a powerful PC. This method allows you to enjoy the game on a large virtual screen within your headset. We'll cover the essential steps, from setting up your computer to launching the game, ensuring a smooth and immersive experience. Get ready to dive into the world of Fortnite in a whole new way. To begin, your personal computer needs to meet or exceed Fortnite system requirements, especially a robust graphics card for smooth performance. A stable and fast internet connection is crucial. Ideally, use Wi-Fi 6 or a direct Ethernet cable to your PC for minimal latency. You'll also need to install the Meta Quest Link application on your computer. For a wired connection, a high-quality USB 3 cable is highly recommended to ensure reliable data transfer. Next, launch the Meta Quest Link software on your personal computer and connect your Quest 3 headset. You have the option of using a physical USB 3 cable for a wired connection, or you can opt for the wireless AirLink feature for more freedom of movement. Once connected, you can adjust your Quest 3's display settings to optimize for visual clarity and performance. Before proceeding, ensure Fortnite is fully installed and updated on your computer. With your Quest 3 connected, simply launch Fortnite from your personal computer's desktop. The game will then appear on a massive virtual screen within your headset, offering an incredibly immersive view. For the best gameplay, use a compatible game controller, as the Quest's touch controllers are not designed for Fortnite's fast-paced action. Remember to fine-tune Fortnite's in-game graphics settings, perhaps reducing shadows or view distance, to maintain a consistent and enjoyable frame rate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.